In this video, I will show you how to draw a slope or curved wall. Make the left floor plan as an example. If you have a slope wall somewhere in your building, first draw the string walls, confirm their dimensions. Then draw the first sloped wall with a rough dimensions and confirm its length. Tap again the sloped wall, tap the icon angle. Get the west side dimensions with a laser measure or directly enter the side dimensions according to the app instruction. Tap the icon OK. The angle will automatically cut out by system. Drawing the last sloped wall is the same operations as the first one. First, draw a sloped wall. Confirm its dimensions. Select and amend the west side length. Now let me demonstrate how to draw the curved wall. Tap the icon Tools. Tap Curve Line, then draw the curved wall in the Y location. Measure this is 3 sides of the inner triangle. With a laser measure or directly enter them according to the app instruction. Tap the icon OK after entering these 3 values. The Y curved wall shape will be automatically got by system. The demonstration is over. Thanks for watching.